What a horrible place to be stuck in a beach, fridge full of good food and water tank full of fresh water.
Yes.
Our life is so horrible.
We came to another spot to wait our package for the van.
Yeah, and it was blue skies, beautiful weather, but now it seems like a storm is catching up and we are parked directly next to the sea. And it's going to be heavy rains, so we will go somewhere else where it's not this loud.
Yeah, it's really loud and it's the storm is picking up on the night time, so
yeah,
it's better to actually go to another place.
This lifestyle itself is adventurous enough, so we don't need like big waves to come eat our van.
But still, we are living like normal life. We have driven like 4 kilometers from our last night spot and now we are driving 7 kilometers.
Yeah.
So staying put in the same area generally, so.
Yeah. But it's such a hard time to leave this beautiful spot because nobody else is here. And we know for the fact that place we are going, there's plenty of other camper vans, but we just need to adapt.
Adapt and
overcome.
Yes. I think we're gonna get the package in 3 or 4 days. Our package is at the moment in Bulgaria. It started from Poland.
Yeah. Kind of frustrating. We wish Greece would have Amazon because Amazon works wonders.
Yeah, it works always and it's fast deliveries, not like this.
Yeah.
We ordered it from Autodoc, the spare part, because it was not available in any Greek web shops.
Yeah, but luckily we can drive our van. But let's start driving before the rain gets too bad, because the path here is kind of steep and muddy and slippery, so we will get stranded if we don't leave. Storms in Greece are no joke. Yeah.
In some parts, yes.
Okay, we did not drive that far away. Our last parking spot was end of this dirt road, like 50 meters away. And now we just parked our van to the upper levels, so the storm is not that bad. These bushes will shelter us, and if the waves hit there, we are safe. Yeah. The fear of other people was greater than the storm itself. Yeah, that's us. Fantastic traveling.
This is perfect amount of snow in the winter time. Just enough that you can see and feel it when you are de-icing your freezer.
Oops, moving vehicle. We did use our levelers, so we don't have to be totally tilted. Look at the weather now. The sea is so calm. Yeah, it was a good decision to drive this spot, because waves truly did hit that spot that we were in. Our van is covered in dirt and sand, and luckily our van is this light grey color because it doesn't look that gross at all. Only when you take like a closer look it looks disgusting. Okay, it's really bad. I hope the camera doesn't capture. There are not that many car wash places here in Greece, but when we see one we will go and give Vanlife a good scrub. Yeah. We did spend a good night here in a silent. Van was shaking a bit, but nothing too big. We are running out of our water. The parcel for Vanlife is not yet delivered, but we need to go. It has been now over 2 weeks that we have waited the spare part that was promised to deliver in 2 days, but these things happen. We are glad that we can still drive our van. Yeah, so we will continue to another beach. During our first years of travels, we rarely did use these levelers. Nowadays we are seeking all the comforts in our life, so that's why it's so much nicer to be in a van which is somewhat level.
Lovely little piazza here, and we just stumbled on this water spot when we drove in. When you have traveled a lot, you will get an eye. You will see that usually on these piazzas in Greece there is always a water spot, so you keep your eyes open, and when you see those water spots, it's easy to spot. Yeah, getting full water tank, it's really great. Again, over a week worth of water. Just a couple of connections that we need in the journey is a normal 3/4 inch connector. Then this is the quick connector, and also this kind of a squeeze thing that goes to anything.
All size fits for all.
No good. It's worn out, so this works. Sunny spring just continues. Everywhere else in Greece it rains, and we have blue skies.
Yeah, so this is our overnighting spot. Just some harbor and a beach and some gravel road. I think this works wonders for spending a night.
And waiting the package. Still waiting.
Yeah.
Still waiting.
What a waiting game. But we went to take the fresh water.
And grocery store on the way.
And also we took some LPG. We do have a refillable gas tanks in our van, so it's really easy and convenient way.
Yeah, and we don't spend that much money on LPG. On the winter months maybe 25 euros per month, and on the summertime 10 euros per month.
Yeah, it's not a big cost because we can enjoy the comforts of our warm home, so it's money well spent. And our biggest cost is always the grocery bill. Here in Greece our grocery bill is
340 euros, when in Spain it was 260 euros. It's much costlier to live in Greece, but still, when we are here we're spending like 500 to 600 euros per month, which includes also the tax of our land in Finland, so it's everything.
Yeah.
Not just the things you buy on the road.
And it's kind of a long way to travel from Finland to Greece, but when you are here and you can enjoy these gorgeous private beaches, so it's a good feeling.
And still you can see actually there was a housing crisis in Greece, and lots of unbuilt houses all around this place. So you can always see those sad sights.
Yeah. This place was not our #1 option. I wanted to go more private beach, but Joni did look at the satellite picture and it looked really trashy and like an open landfill.
And the last time there was burglars, it was 3 weeks ago. Yeah. So not good place to be.
Yeah. If it's a bad vibe, it's better to change a spot a bit. So I think this is a good place. There's only a small gravel road, and hopefully our package comes so we don't have to spend too much time here.
we are still washing our underwear. So again, delay on our package. So we need to again wash some undies to get to Kalamata, because in Peloponnese there ain't laundries. I think 3 or 4 maximum in the whole Peloponnese region. So when we are driving 5 kilometers per day, we don't see those laundries. Yeah. This I think is my last t-shirt. It has a hole in the nipple, so I'm throwing this away when I'm used it. After this, oh yeah, last t-shirt. And all the undies has gone. So sometimes it's not a struggle, but you have to upkeep our needs in some places. So being middle of nowhere has its toll. You have to wash your laundries by hand. But it doesn't matter. Nice weather, perfect wind here, and yeah, laundry will be dry in a matter of hours.
That's a fact. And during the night time our heater kicks in, so we just put our wet laundry to dry in our drying room, in our bathroom, so it will be really dry after one night. But eventually we really need to go to the real laundry service, because we need to wash our pillows and linens and towels and all that kind of stuff. So but
I'm positive. I'm just washing 4 undies.
Ooh.
So the package is in Kytheo in 4 days max.
Joni likes to push it. Hopefully 4 is enough. If it's not, then we do laundry again.
Just normal soap.
Hand soap and warm water. Yeah. Oopsie. Warming the water in a stove. In summertime you can put these bottles in the sun and they will become so hot even they are see-through. But now wintertime we are using a gas hob to heat the water. Yes. Laundry day.
Talossa oli sähköt, hella, suihku ja vesi-WC, mutta ei juoksevaa vettä. Vesi tuli katolla työnnettävästä 1000 litran tankista. Kysyimme vuokraisännältä, kauanko vesi riittäisi, ja saimme arvioksi 3 viikkoa. Me laskimme, että tankki olisi suomalaisella keskikulutuksella noin 150 litraa päivässä per henki imetty tyhjiin 6 päivässä. Jamaikalla vesilasku oli muihin kuluihin nähden huomattava 21 €, kun kuukausivuokramme oli kokonaisuudessaan 115 € sisältäen kaikki kulut, myös sähkön, joka napattiin kätevästi suoraan voimalinjasta mittarin ohitse.
We did came to this one spot that we have been previously. He has a really good 4G connection, so Joni can play his video games.
Somebody asked about the fridge. Did we get rid of anything from our van? No, we just reorganized everything. Now these boxes are totally full. We don't usually like it because we want to have all the cupboards and boxes and everything like half full, so you can always have something there extra. Yeah, we are using this as a freezer mode, so the beer gets cold really fast. It's like -22 at the moment. Yeah, it's really great addition. Usually we don't have to be in the grocery store for 3 weeks when we fill up this with the freezer stuff and also our own fridge. Yeah, and this uses as a freezer something around 0.5 kilowatt hours per day, which translates to amp hours.
The thing is, after we went to the store to buy all that liquor, we got the text message, our parcel has arrived. So it was a good call. Now it's like a win-win situation.
Yes, got finally the spare part or the fenders. It took 16 days. That's much longer than I anticipated, so I think this is the last time we order from, what is this?
Autodoc.
Autodoc, yeah. Everyone knows Autodoc. But yeah, there are some spare part vendors here in Greece that can have spare parts much faster. But this was convenient. 30 euros, 39 euros with postages. Pano kiinni. Yeah, to attach these trims you need to have these, I don't know, fasteners here. So we need to go to the Kalamatas Fiat to ask for the fasteners. And also we have to screw one screw on the bottom. But otherwise we are almost ready to install them on our van.